Good day, everyone, and welcome to Cad-Cafe. On this show, I'll be taking you through the move entity and then how to copy entities. Okay, so this is where you see your move entities, and if you click here, this is where you see your copy entities. And in the next tutorial, I'll be taking you through rotate entities and the other scale entities, and thereafter stretch entities. Okay, so all right, so let's show you how to move entities, or to copy entities. I mean, sorry about that. All right, so first of all, we actually click on this copy entities. Assuming this is the entity you want to copy the circle, I actually have to click on it and then come to start point, right? So I'm starting here and then I'm stopping here. So it's the same thing that we had with move entity, just that this one is actually duplicating the the shape or the sketch. Okay, so let's see, copy entities. All right, starting from here, then we're taking it to here. All right, so that's it. So, and then you may choose to keep your relations. All right. Okay. So I've done that already. So I may choose to untick that. Okay. So come over here and then you take a point in space and voila, that's it. Okay. So that is all for the copy entities. All right. And next year I'll be taking you through on how to rotate entities. So don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with our tutorials. Do have a wonderful day.